Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, and we are going to make the face unlock test. We will check if unlocking is fast and reliable. So at the first I'm going to register my face. Click continue. Okay, it's done. So right now let's move to the test. So we are going to lock and unlock phone a few times. As you can see, my face doesn't match. Okay, right now it works. Doesn't match. Right now it's working. Okay, and as you can see, sometimes it doesn't work. So maybe let's try to use this feature in the face recognition. It's called the faster recognition. So let's try this one. It's less secure and a video or image could be recognized as our face. So right now it's turned on and we are going to check if it is working. So lock device. As you can see, when you turn on this feature, it works a little bit better, I think. It's definitely much faster. So when the phone recognizes my face, the unlock is faster than in the normal mode, but it still sometimes doesn't recognize my face. As you can see right now. Okay, so that's how this face recognition works on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. I hope that'll help you, and you can enjoy this video and leave like, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!